In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add signature or ads after post content in WordPress. WordPress doesn't come with an easy way to display signatures or ads after post content. But today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add signature ads after post content in WordPress. To add signature or ads after post content, first you need to install and activate the Insert Post Ads plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the Post Adverts icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon and click on Post Adverts. Now, in the display settings, select where you want to display the adverts. I'll select Posts, and then click on Save Settings. Now, let's create a post advert. Click here on Add New, give this advert a title here. In the advert code, paste your ad code, signature, or any HTML or text you want to display. Now, here select where you want to display your advert. I'll select to display them after post content. Then click on Publish. Now let's go to the website. And open a post. And as you can see, the post advert we just created is displayed at the end of the post. This is how you can add signature or ads after post content in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.